Your body already knows how to grow and repair. It does that using signals. So when scientists study a compound called IGF-1 LR3, they're not creating a new instruction. They're studying what happens when a natural growth signal lasts longer. Today, I'll explain how IGF-1 LR3 works in the body, what it's based on, and why timing matters more than strength. No hype, just biology. IGF-1 stands for insulin-like growth factor 1. IGF-1 is a natural growth and repair signal the body makes. Your body uses IGF-1 to send messages that say, grow, repair, rebuild. IGF-1 is tightly controlled. It shows up when needed, then gets shut down quickly. That timing keeps growth balanced. IGF-1 LR3 is a lab-modified version of IGF-1. It is a research compound based on the same growth message, but changed slightly so it lasts longer. Half-life is how long a signal stays active before the body clears it. The message does not change. The duration does. IGF-1 is the signal. IGF-1 LR3 is the same signal, extended. Same instruction.
Different timing. Think of IGF-1 like a text message. It appears, gets read, then disappears. IGF-1 LR3 is that same message, but it's pinned to the screen. Same words, more time. How cells receive the message. Cells have receptors. Receptors are doorways on cells that receive messages. IGF-1 and IGF-1 LR3 bind to the same doorway. Once the doorway opens, the message travels through pathways inside the cell. Pathways are routes messages travel inside the cell. Inside the cell, the message moves through growth pathways like mTOR. mTOR is a pathway that tells cells when to build proteins. These pathways help cells decide when to repair tissue, rebuild structures, support growth. The signal allows action. It does not force it. Muscle contains helper cells called satellite cells. Satellite cells are backup repair cells for muscle. When growth signals stay active longer, repair windows may last longer. Researchers study this to understand how signal duration affects recovery. Energy and insulin signaling. IGF-1 signaling is connected to insulin signaling.
Insulin signaling is how cells take sugar from the blood and use it for energy. Muscle cells use GLUT4 doorways. GLUT4 is a doorway that lets sugar into the cell. When signaling pathways are active, energy handling can shift. This shows how growth, repair, and energy are linked. Bone and tissue maintenance. Growth signals also affect bone-building cells, connective tissue, collagen production. Collagen is a structural protein that gives tissue strength. That's why IGF-1 signaling matters beyond muscle alone. Why duration matters. Because IGF-1 LR3 lasts longer, receptors are exposed longer. If signals stay active too long, receptors can become less responsive, balance can be disrupted. Biology depends on timing, not constant signaling. That's why IGF-1 LR3 belongs in research and education. The real takeaway. IGF-1 LR3 does not change the message. It changes how long the message is heard. Same signal, longer duration. Understanding biology means understanding signals, doorways, pathways, timing, not chasing intensity. If you want peptides and biology explained clearly and honestly, subscribe. I got you. Disclaimer. This is educational only and based on publicly available research, not medical advice.